Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Thank you for joining on Thrifting is My Beach. This is my reselling journey as I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Etsy, Depop, ThredUp, etc, etc. Okay, I have a short little yard sale haul. I went this weekend. I went 2 times on Friday and Saturday, and I had very high expectations, and for some reason, whenever you have high expectations, it usually fails, right? So I'll show you what I got. I didn't hit it out of the park, but I did buy things to make some money. So let's go over those. Okay, I sell everything, like I've said. Like last night I sold a set of fake teeth, not actual teeth you put in your mouth, but the models for dentists and hygienists to show people how to brush their teeth. Yeah, I just sold that. So weird things sell. Okay, let's get started. I love selling vintage linens, and if you can kind of tell by the texture, this is probably like a 1980s nylon foam based blanket, and you see the price there, it's $2. It's made in USA. I cannot find a sold comp, or I can't find any comps. I need to do more investigating, but I think I can at least get $30 for it. These boots, I was hoping they were Fry, but they're not. They are vintage. They are really cute. They need a little bit of TLC and not much, you know, general wear. They are made in USA, and they all are leather. So that caught my attention. And they are by a company that I have never heard of before. And of course I go to tell you and I misplaced my notes. I believe it's Larry Mahane or Mahan. And when I looked him up on eBay, there are a lot of exotic prints, or not prints, but animal skins for leather. These are nothing super special. They're pretty basic. I think I can get about $50 for those. Okay. I personally love wearing Crocs. I swore up and down 10 years ago I would never wear them because they are so ugly, until I bought a pair and I tried them on. And then I was like, okay, I'm only wearing these around the house. Like, they'll only be my house shoes. Well, at points I just didn't care, and I wear them out in public now, and they are pink and they don't match some of my clothes I wear, but that's okay. Here's a pair of new slip-on women's Crocs. They are a size 6. They were half off, so they were marked at Goodwill for $6. I got them for $3. You know, just the classic style. I can sell these for $25. And reminder, I don't include shipping. The buyer always pays for shipping. Okay, I love vintage purses. Well, if you watch any of my other videos, I love vintage. I found I'm guessing mid-century modern wood Russian handbag. It has the latch on the top, and it appears hand painted. It has some leather trim with some studs. The handle is wood as well. There's the hinges, which kind of can help date items. And then it is felt lined. There are no interior tags. I'm guessing this is probably a souvenir piece. I could be wrong, but the paint is still very well intact. It was well done. I paid $1 for it. When I was carrying it to the car, I was walking and I was like, oh, it won't stay shut that well, so I have to work on the clasp, but I think I can get like $40 for this. Here's a pair of basic Banana Republic capris. I like these because they had the zipper, and they are a 28. I try to stay away from anything smaller than 27. It usually sits a while if it sells at all, for me at least, but except one exception I have is American Eagle. Okay, so I got those for like $1, and I'm going to send those to ThredUp. All of my modern clothes that I have here, unless they are flawed, I'm sending into ThredUp. It's like changing my business a little bit. Here I got these at Goodwill. These were actually in the kids section, and they were still hanging on the Z-bar to go out as new inventory. They marked them as girls 16, but they are a women's size 30, which is equivalent to a size 10. They are pink, just straight leg capri with all the cool studding. When I got home, I did notice Can you see that flaw? Do you see that loose stitching right here? I'm going to have to go in with some white thread and reattach that. I'll note that in my description. And I may, depending if there's any other flaws, I may send these in a thread up. Otherwise, I'll sell them myself. Miss Me is, like I said, like 10 years ago. Used to be fast flips. Even when I started reselling, they sold for quite a bit more, and now I sell them for like $25 or $30. Some people can sell them for more, but not me. I have those to make me about $30 if I'm lucky. Okie doke. I saw this print and the studs, and I was like, oh, I gotta check it out. And of course, it's marked by Marc Jacobs, which is the lowest line of Marc Jacobs. It's not gonna make me lots of money, but it is very clean. And I think those are Boston Terriers. Boston Terrier printed things, well, anything cat or dog does really well for me. And it's got the interior, it's marked on the zipper. The only issue I see with it, do you see that? At first I thought it was intentional, but somebody, I'm pretty sure, spilled something inside. This was not marked at the Goodwill, and so I brought it to them, and they put $2.99 on it. One sold like this that was really beat up for $15 on Poshmark. I'm hoping to sell mine for $25. If I can get that looking like new, I'll send that into ThredUp because their purses are final sales. People cannot return them. All right, another vintage linen. This is a handmade quilt. Based on the style and the pictures, I would say it's 1950s. This is absolutely darling. I love this. It's in very good condition, and then the back is yellow. It was $2. It's got trains, lambs, ducks, Humpty Dumpty. So I got this for $2, and I want to get like $40 for it. Okay, we're gonna move on to the clothes. Like I said, this is a small haul. Side story. So I went with my mom on Friday night to a community yard sale, and it was a lot of like kid stuff, baby stuff, which is great if you're expecting a baby, but not so much to flip. I was highly disappointed, and it was an hour away, and it was a heat index of 100 degrees, and it was not as pleasant, but I got a few things. The next day, I thought I was going to hit the jackpot. It was another community garage sale that I went to 6 years ago with my husband, and before we got a whole car full of stuff, but when I look back, I was expecting my first kid, and there was mainly baby stuff. So we went yesterday. We got a babysitter, you know, we paid for the babysitter, and it was all kid stuff and junk. Not that I can sell. It was so bad that I thought I would be lucky to break even, but when I added my numbers up, I'm still going to make money. So let's continue. And it was so bad that I actually stopped about halfway through the garage selling yesterday, this huge community garage sale, and went to Goodwill thinking I never go to this Goodwill because it's over an hour away and it's in the city, so I thought I could find better stuff, and actually my local Goodwill has a lot better stuff. So all right, let's get to it. Okay, this one I'm going to sell myself. It is a vintage wool and leather bomber. It is vintage. It's made in the USA. The quality and the stitching is amazing. There are some little spots, either from storage. I didn't see any moth holes, but I will need to probably use a suede brush on this. I want to try not to have to spot clean it, but it's in very good condition. Like I said, it's made in the USA. It's a men's extra large, which is great. I mean, the quality, it's got this satin interior. The quality is so good. I mean, look at even the inside pocket has like the leather accent. Was not marked someone's garage sale, and based on the pricing on her other items, I was a little hesitant to ask her what she wanted for it because some of her stuff, it was a little high, like a kid's jacket was $10. And so she said to make an offer, and I said $5, and she accepted. This will probably be a slower sale, but I'm guessing it will sell on Etsy. I want to get about $100 for it. I could not find any comps online, by the way. So a lot of this stuff I'm trying to thread up, so it's pretty boring in my opinion. Last week, no, 2 weeks ago, I sold a CJ Banks sweater on thread up for $71. So I got paid like $38 for it. So I saw these, they were $1 a piece. And I thought they were pretty for someone who, you know, likes that brand. So for $1 a piece, I picked those up to go to thread up. All of these items, like I said, I'll know if I'm not sending it into thread up. This is just like a boutique brand. It was new with tags. I paid $1 for it. It's got the cute sleeve cutout detail. Nice floral print. I figured this would be great to transition into fall. I picked this piece up. It had, I think, like an Italian brand. Never heard of it before. But I believe this is a linen blend. It has the sequins detail on the top and bottom. I paid $1. I think I paid $1 for all of these items. This probably won't make me that much, but I loved the cutout. And it's a really pretty orange. It's just by the buckle. Calvin Klein. Like I said, I cannot sell Calvin Klein for hardly anything. However, sells very well on thredUP. Just a nice sweater dress. Paid $1 for this one. Here's a nice White House Black Market. I believe this is a, no, it feels like a wool blend, but it's really soft. It's actually just polyester. Just a nice career piece. This one is Beach Lunch Lounge. I sold a casual dress on thredUP a few weeks ago from there, and I made like $13 for it. I paid $0.25 for this, so if I make around $10 for it, I will be happy. It's just got the roll cuff. It's cute, and it's a 3X. That's also why I picked it up, because the plus sizes do really well. This one I'm actually selling myself. Safari tigers especially tend to, you know, sell better. I love the print, and the button-up shirts seem to be all the rage right now. With some of the younger women, they will knot them down here. So this will most likely sell on Etsy, and I want to make 30 to 40 on that one, and I paid about 50 cents, I think. This one, it's a men's baseball Nike Pro Combat. It is red, long sleeve. I'm trying to think what size this one is. It's the fitted. It's a men's extra large, but it is fitted style. I did not see any snags or anything like that, and I'll probably sell this for like 15 to 20. This next piece I got based on style. I do not pick up rough hoon. Maybe if it was new tags at the bins, but I just saw this and it is absolutely stunning. I love all of the embroidery. It's gorgeous. The colors, very good for fall, right? So if I sent this into thredUP, I would be lucky to make $5. Like, honestly, maybe $3. I'm going to sell this myself, and it's a bigger size as well. It's a 1X, so I'm hoping to get at least 20 for it, and I paid $0.25. Getting near the end. This is a Talbot's dress that I got at the Goodwill. It was half off, so I paid $3, and I really wanted it because it is 100% linen, and it's a simple, nice career dress. Size 4, it's going to thredUP. I got this vintage dress. It's like a crossover button. I got it for 50 cents. It just has like a nice print on it, very 90s. Probably sell it for $30. I have not picked up this brand before, but I know some people do look for it. Ivanka Trump. It was $1. It's just a nice career blouse with a nice floral lace, and this is a blush pink. I'm not sure if it's quite picking up the true color, but peplum waist. Here we have a basic silk Eileen Fisher blouse. It is like an off-white color. I paid $1 for it. I think it's got like the mother of pearl buttons. Send that into Thread Up. Eileen Fisher tends to do pretty good there. Here's just a basic Vince Camuto. I love the color blocking, just this nice pink and gray. It does have the side slit. This would just be very comfy to lounge around in. Here we have another nice Calvin Klein cowl neck. It's like a cable knit. Another nice blush pink and like maybe a beige. All right, another Calvin Klein. And I'm paying $1 for all these items if I don't tell you. There's the tag. And it's just very pretty. I like all the ribbing detail. This item I'm going to sell myself. The brand is Newport News. I don't know if this company is even open currently. They used to send out catalogs and specialize in swimwear, but they do sell others or other types of clothes. This is a nice faux wrap swimsuit with a skirt or swim dress, whatever you want to call it. I don't quite understand because it's velvet. If you can see, it is a beautiful wine red. I'm trying to think what size this is. I did not even look. It was just new with tags, and it was $1, I think, so I grabbed it. It's a size 14. Yeah. So this should do pretty good. I'm hoping for 20 to 25. All right, and the last piece is a newer cabbie skirt. It's really pretty. It's got the tie. I think that goes in the front, actually. It's got the elastic waist. It's just a nice, pretty orange, blue floral. I did pay $4 for it. I don't know if my sticker's gonna focus. It was never worn. Here's the newest cabbie tag. I think this will do well as a transition piece into fall. So I need to get this sent into Thread Up. I have a box that I've been throwing clothes into that I need to send out. I'm waiting for my mailed label. As most of you know, you can't print out. If you can print out, lucky you. In my area, you still can only request them to mail it. And I requested one on the 16th and after, and I haven't received it yet. Today is the 26th maybe? Yeah, so hopefully it gets mailed out soon because I'm impatient. Okay, so let's go over the numbers real quick. If I can find my notes. I paid, oh, I dropped them, okay. I paid a total of $43.75 for everything that I have shown you here. And I stand to make about $820. So $44 into $820. The items I send into Thread Up, do keep in mind it will take at least 4 weeks for them to be listed on Thread Up, and I do pay for expedited processing. And then it does take time for items to sell, so those won't be quick flips. Also, vintage tends to sell a little slower, but I am okay with sitting on it because I have quite a bit of storage here at my house. That's all I had for you guys. I really thought I was going to find really nice stuff, but you just never know. And that's part of the thrill, is sometimes you find amazing items and sometimes you don't. But stick with me this week. Come back to my channel, hit the notification bell down below, because tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I am going to be doing Goodwill's nifty $1.50 deals, where all of their clothes are just $1.50 unless they're marked up. So I have a sitter arranged, and I plan on going there to get a lot of items to send into Thread Up. So stay tuned, because my next video will be a nice old-fashioned Goodwill haul. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below what your favorite item was that I did find, and just have a great day. That's all I got for you guys. All right, bye.